Hi everybody. I'm here in the studio this morning. I wanted to talk to you a little bit before we started our painting. I'm not going to actually do the painting yet. I'm a little overwhelmed right now. I'm taking a class in color, and I've got a lot of homework to do, so my videos haven't been like consistent on a certain day because of the homework that I have and what I have to get done for that class. But I wanted to talk to you because right now I have hit the over 500 subscriber list, and I was so excited. I wanted to talk to you about what I had planned on for like a giveaway. I want to, do something. Now I have like over 600, which is really great. On my last video, the one with the Easter Bunny, I had put in there what I wanted to do for this giveaway. And I know sometimes you get bored with watching the whole video, so that's why I came on and just did this little blurb here. What I was hoping is that I have set up a new Facebook page called Pittsburgh Artist Studio Official, and I wanted all my subscribers, if you could go on there and register. It'll take me a few minutes, sometimes, like I go on there every day, but I don't see any sign-ups, so that's why I figured you didn't watch all the video through. And what I was hoping is that the first 10 people that subscribed and posted a painting that I have taught, ones that I don't get my head in the way, hopefully, and you have to forgive me, I'm getting ready for work, so I'm not quite ready, and no lipstick, nothing, so but anyways, I wanted you to post a painting that you have done that was one of the paintings that I have taught, that my head isn't in the way, like I said. And hopefully I've figured out a way that now I can stay out of the painting and just you see my hand. I hope that this will work. I can paint like right at where I'm at now. Don't think my head will be in the way. I'm hoping it isn't. You can see that right now is all you see is my hand, and that's all I want you to see. So if you can, and you have tried one of my paintings there, I would just love for you to post it. Let me see your work. I'm kind of like trying to see if I need to change my technique in teaching, what I need to do in order to make it better for you. So I'm looking for the first 10 postees, and I will hopefully, and then I'll do like a little raffle for it, and we'll pick one of you, and I'll send you a really nice little gift. There is a gift involved, and I think you will like it. So well, I know you will like it. I'm positive of that. So just forgive me for not being able to post paintings all the time. Our next painting will be a raccoon, a baby raccoon. I have it drawn on here right now, and hopefully we can get that going next week, but I do have some work to do for schools. It's been a lot of fun taking a class. I almost minored in art when I was in college, and now I think I have my minor because I've been taking all these classes. But anyways, until we meet again for the painting, post on Pittsburgh, on Facebook, Pittsburgh Artist Studio Official. It has the official at the end. So you want to sign up and get those paintings on there. And the first 10, I will put you into a drawing, and someone will be a lucky winner. So until next time, have a good day. Thanks.